Imagine a man living inside a huge clay barrel right in the middle of Athens. By day, he walks around with a lit lantern shouting, "I'm looking for a human being." When Alexander the Great himself approaches him and asks, "How can I help you?" he replies, "Stand aside, you're blocking the sun." This is not a joke, and he's not crazy. This is Diogenes of Sinope, the boldest, freest, and most legendary philosopher of antiquity. Today, we're going to break down his insane life from beginning to end. Diogenes was born around 412 BC in Sinope, a Greek colony on the Black Sea, in what is now Turkey. His father was a money changer, essentially a banker who also dabbled in counterfeiting on the side. According to legend, Diogenes helped his father forge coins. When they were caught, both were exiled from the city. Or there's another version. Diogenes himself went to the oracle at Delphi and asked, "What should I do?" The oracle replied, "Deface the currency." In Greek, parakarakson to nomisma, literally, remint the coins, or forge new currency. Diogenes took the command literally and began counterfeiting money. When the scheme was exposed, he fled to Athens. One way or another, in his early 30s, he found himself in Athens, penniless, homeless, and with a fierce determination to live life entirely on his own terms. Diogenes saw that the Athenians lived in luxury, chasing money, power, and fame, and he decided all of this is unnecessary. He became an extreme minimalist. He lived in a large clay jar, a pythos, right in the middle of the agora. That was his home. He slept on the ground, ate whatever he could find, drank from his cupped hands, and walked barefoot in any weather. One day, he saw a boy drinking water from his hands. Diogenes immediately smashed his own cup and said, "This boy has beaten me in simplicity." His most famous performance. During the day, he would walk around with a lantern shouting, "I'm looking for a human being." When people asked, "Aren't we human?" he would reply, "You are a crowd, not human beings." Another famous episode. Plato once defined a human as a two-legged creature without feathers. Diogenes plucked a rooster, brought it to the academy, and declared, "Here is Plato's human." Plato was furious, while the Athenians roared with laughter. The most legendary scene is Diogenes' encounter with Alexander the Great. Alexander was Aristotle's student, the conqueror of the world, and he came to see the famous Cynic philosopher. Diogenes was lying in the sun. "I am Alexander the Great, and I am Diogenes the dog. Ask me for anything you want. Stand aside, you're blocking my sunlight." Alexander is said to have replied, "If I were not Alexander, I would wish to be Diogenes." Diogenes answered, "If I were not Diogenes, I would also wish to be Diogenes." When he was caught stealing, he said, "I'm simply learning from nature. Ants take whatever is left lying around." Diogenes is the founder of Cynicism. The word cynic comes from the Greek for dog. Core ideas: live according to nature and reject everything artificial, wealth, power, clothing, and social conventions. True freedom is needing nothing from other people. Happiness lies in self-sufficiency, autarkia. Shame is a social invention, not something natural. His death is also legendary. According to one version, at the age of 90, he ate a raw octopus to prove that anything can be eaten. According to another, he held his breath and died voluntarily. A third version says he simply died of old age in Corinth.